Sana lang estudyante.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Please stand up for our prayer. Okay, Clark. Lead the prayer, Clark. Amen. Take your seats. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Now, let's proceed or let's recall our classroom rules. So, always clean your surroundings. And then, listen carefully to the discussion of the teacher. Is that clear? And last, raise your hands before you talk. Okay? Now, there's two rays that NA then join in the endpoint and form into angle. So, what is our discussion for today? Rays,
Angle.
angles, very good. Now, let's proceed to our topic. So, what is angle? Angles are formed when two lines intersect at a point. To measure the opening between these two rays is called an angle. It is represented by the symbol of like this symbol. Angles are usually measured in degrees. So, like this, we have here an example of angle. This is the vertex, the end point. So this two line is what we call an arm. An arm, and also known as two rays. So we have here a ray, and second B ray. So what is this?
A ray.
This
A ray.
B ray. So it is represented by symbol of like this. Angles are usually measured in degrees and radians, which is measured of circularity or rotation. Angles are part of the day-to-day life. So there are different types of angles. So different type of angles. There are 6 types of angles. So how much angles we have?
6 angles.
6 angles. So each type of angles has a unique identification on the basis of angles measurement. So ang angles is unique. So hindi sila magkapareho. So first, we have acute angle. So what's angle is this?
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Very good. So it is an angle which is greater than 0 and less than 90 degrees. Next, we have right angle. So what kind of angle is this?
Right angle.
Right angle, very good. It is measured measures 90 degrees. It is also known as a right angle. Also, it resembles a letter L. So, what kind of a letter is this?
L.
L. So, we have next. So, obtuse angle. It is an angle measures greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees. So, what angle is this?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Very good. So, next one is straight angle. It is a straight angle or straight line that formed by two lines that it is equal to 180 degrees. So what angle is this?
Straight line angle.
Straight angle. Very good. So second to the last, we have reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 180 but less than 360 degrees. So this angle, what kind of angle is this?
Angle.
Reflex angle. So last, we have complete angle. When the measurement is an angle is equal to 360 degrees, it is complete angle. So In the picture, what kind of angle did you see?
Complete angle.
Very good. We have complete angle. So let's recall our discussion. What kind of angle is this?
Straight angle.
Straight angle. How about this one?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. This one?
Right angle.
Right angle. So now since you have understand our discussion, I want you to group into two groups and draw an angle and name it. So group 1 and group 2. So answer that in 5 minutes. So are you done, class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Pass your papers, please. Thank you. Now, let's recall our discussion. So, what angle represents a letter L?
Right angle. Right angle.
Very good, right angle. So, what is a straight line? What kind of angle is it?
Straight angle.
Straight angle. Okay, since you have understand our discussion, now I want you to list down 6 angles that list down the different kind of angles, which is the 6 angles. Okay, I want you to answer that in 5 minutes. Okay, class, pass your papers. Thank you. We have another activity. I'll give you a paper and name what kind of angle is shown in the paper. I want you to answer that in 5 minutes. What kind of angle is number 1?
Acute angle.
Acute angle? Yes, it is an acute angle. So, pass the paper, Clark. Thank you. So, what is the importance of the different types of angle, or the types or the angle? Okay, Clark, what is the importance of angles? Okay, very good. The importance of angles is we can use this in our daily life, just like in carpentry, to measure the table, and a lot of things that we can see the angles. So, this is the end of our discussion for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye. Now you may go home and be safe.
Thank you, teacher.